Namaskar and welcome to this tarot reading. Now, this is the reading for the sign of Aquarius for mid January, that is from 15th to 31st of January. Now, please remember this is a general reading, so सबके साथ resonate नहीं हो सकती है, जिसके साथ resonate होती है वो नहीं रखना है. You can check your sun, moon, rising, and Venus, and remember that energies can shift or change, and the roles can be reversed any time. So let's see what's going on for Aquarius. Now, for Aquarians, I want to tell you, and this is for all of us, that in the next few days Pluto will be moving into the sign of Aquarius, which is a very huge energy. Lot of world changes, lot of changes in our own lives, and from Capricorn into Aquarius Pluto will be shifting, and we also have a new moon in Capricorn on the 11th of January, so which is also about changes and new beginnings and new startups, and lot of encouraging and positive energy is there in the new moon, so please claim it. So now let's see what's going on with Aquarius for the middle of January. Okay, let's see what's going on with Aquarius for the mid-January. Let's see what's going on with Aquarius for mid-January. This is for Aquarius. Please show me more. What's going on with Aquarius? Okay, Aquarius. We have got the 8 of Pentacles. So overall energy आपकी रहेगी 8 of Pentacles. That is Aquarius. आप काम करने के मूड में रहेंगे, आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपने काम में फोकस्ड होंगे. You will be putting in lot of efforts, whether it is your business or if it's a relationship, then you will be ready to put in lot of efforts in your relationship area also. Now we have got the Ace of Swords, we have got the Hanged Man, the Hierophant, and the Ace of Wands. So okay, Aquarius, as I told you, this is really good because we have got two aces here, Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. तो आप कहीं ना कहीं यू विल बी अंडर गोइंग अ बिग चेंज, आप ब्रेक थ्रू आपको मिल रहा है अपनी सिचुएशन से, और आपको मेजर रियलाइजेशन है कि आपको you want something, you are very passionate towards. Now we have got the Hierophant, which is Taurus energy, so you want to, maybe you want to settle down, you want to stabilize yourself, it is about a commitment or marriage, और आपको इस बात का पूरा रियलाइजेशन है कि आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं in some situation in your life which is very very committed. ये कोई जॉब भी हो सकती है, you are starting maybe something and जिसके लिए आप बहुत passionate हैं. So we will clarify and see what this is. Okay, so first of all I want to clarify this Ace of Swords. Please clarify the Ace of Swords for Aquarius for middle of January. Let's see what this Ace of Swords for Aquarius. Okay, we have got the Judgment, we have got the Two of Swords, and we have got the Hermit, Virgo energy and Scorpio energy. सो एक्वेरियस आपको बहुत ज़बरदस्त रियलाइजेशन हुआ है, आपने काफ़ी इंट्रोस्पेक्शन किया है, काफ़ी सोचा है दैट यू आर अवॉइडिंग समथिंग, यू आर अवॉइडिंग टू मेक अ डिसीजन हियर. आप बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर थिंकिंग कर रहे हैं एंड लेकिन अब नाउ यू हैव गॉट द क्लैरिटी, कि आपको क्लोज्ड ऑफ नहीं रहना है एंड यू नीड टू ओपन अप. आपको क्लैरिटी मिल गई है कि that you don't have to remain stuck, you have to start something fresh, or you have to have a change in your life. आपकी लाइफ में एक चेंज की ज़रूरत है Aquarius. This is very important. Underlining is that आप एक लाइफ में चेंज चाहते हैं, जो आपने सालों से महीनों से आप जिस चीज़ को फेस कर रहे हैं, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में बदलाव चाहते हैं, which is definitely happening in the next few days. Now I want to clarify this Hierophant. What is this Hierophant? Please clarify the Hierophant, because Hierophant is a marriage card or something to do with society or some sort of belief system. So please show me more. What's this Hierophant here? आप अपनी लाइफ में अपनी लाइफ को बदलना चाहते हैं, पूरी तरीके से उसको नए तरीके से जीना चाहते हैं. So let's clarify this. No, there are too many. Let's clarify this Hierophant. My love team, was this Hierophant for Aquarius for mid-January? Please give me one more card, my love team, for Hierophant for mid-January. Okay. Okay, yeah. We have got the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Six of Swords. So, Aquarius, you have lot of options. आपके पास बहुत सारे options भी हैं, थोड़ा सा confused भी हो सकते हैं, but you want to move to calmer waters. You want commitment. आप या तो commitment चाहते हैं, या marriage चाहते हैं, या stability चाहते हैं, because at the bottom of the deck we have the King of Pentacles. So you definitely want to have a new start, settle down, and you want to be stable. आपने जो कुछ भी अब तक सिक्योर किया है, आप उसको प्रिजर्व करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज वी हैव द फोर ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. यू वांट टू प्रिजर्व वॉट एवर यू हैव अचीव्ड. यू वांट टू कंजर्व, आप उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, आपने जो कुछ भी अब तक अचीव किया है. सो नाउ लेट्स क्लैरिफाई. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स दिस एस ऑफ वॉन्ड्स फॉर Aquarius. Let's see. What's this Ace of Wands for Aquarius? This is very beautiful. You've got two aces here, Aquarius. So what is this Ace of Wands? It's a brand new start here. Okay, we have got the three cards. We have got the Nine of Wands, we have got the Empress, and we have got the Ten of Cups. Yes. So you want happiness. You want family happiness. You want to have a family. You want growth. तो आप, for some of you, not all of you, for few of you, you want to have a baby. You want to expand your family. और आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पे challenges तो बहुत सारे हैं, but you are ready to face. You are ready to fight for it. You are ready to fight for your own happiness. Again, the King of Pentacles is here. So you want to protect everything you have. You want to have family happiness. I told you, either you want to get married, you want to have a family, you want to have a child, whatever it is you are planning for this year. I also want to clarify this Hanged Man. आपने देखने का नज़रिया आपका बदल गया है, और आप पुरानी चीज़ों को लेट गो करना चाहते हैं, Aquarius. So please show me Pisces energy. Please show me what is Hanged Man for Aquarius for mid of January. Yeah, we have got the Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Beautiful energy. We have got Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. So you want love in your life. Definitely everything is changing in your life. This is a very stuck energy, or you want to let go of the past, and you want to take care of yourself. You want to give happiness. You want to receive happiness. आपको विश कर रहे हैं fulfillment. As I told you, you want a major change in your life, and which is also happening, Aquarius. I'm getting goosebumps. Lots of major changes are happening in your life. This is what it is. Okay, Aquarius. So this is what I have with the Ace of Cups for you at the bottom of the deck, which is really beautiful. So you are getting major changes. You are in this energy of lot of positive energy, and huge changes are going to take place in your life, Aquarius, and you are already preparing yourself, क्योंकि आप खुद ही उसकी तरफ work कर रहे हैं. You are working towards having a family or child or new job or whatever. You're just focusing on your happiness in the next 15 days. So let's see what's the spirit guide for you, Aquarius. We have got feelings at the bottom of the deck and relaxation. So you need to relax. आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस होने वाले, Aquarius. So you have to be prepared for that. उसके लिए आपको रिलैक्स रहने की ज़रूरत है. आपको किसी भी प्रकार का ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है, और जो भी चेंजेस आए उनको एजिमुलेट करते जाना, उनको एक्सेप्ट करके आगे बढ़ना है. सो यू हैव टू बी रिलैक्स्ड इन द नेक्स्ट 15 days, बिकॉज आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपनी फीलिंग्स में हैं, बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो गॉट द क्वीन ऑफ कप्स, सो यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट एंड यू हैव टू बी रिलैक्स्ड. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव फॉर यू Aquarius. I hope it helped, and please hit the like button and see you next time. Bye bye.